Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Samsung mic not working problem. There are few methods you can try. First, check your phone case. Sometimes your phone case might be blocking the microphone. So check it because it might be blocking the microphone holes. So check it. The second option is to clean the microphone. Sometimes dust or debris might get stuck in microphone which cause problem. To clean your mic, you simply need a soft brush or a toothpick. Use it carefully to remove any kind of blockage. The third option is check Bluetooth connections. Sometimes you might be connected with Bluetooth without knowing, so check it. So as you can see, my Bluetooth is turned off. The fourth option is reset settings and force restart. To do that, you need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to general management. From here, you will see reset option. Tap on it, scroll down and tap on reset all settings. Don't worry, you will not lose any kind of your data. It will only reset the settings. Tap on reset settings. Tap on reset. Your mobile will be restarted, so don't worry. My device is now currently resetting. So wait for few seconds. Now as you can see, our mobile is now reset. Let's check the microphone. But if your mic is still not working, that might be a hardware problem. So I recommend you to go to your nearest service center and check your mobile. I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will meet you in next video.